Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox some of this Amazon Prime gifts that my wife got. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of these companies. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and see what she got inside here. Some of these are the Christmas presents, so by the time you watch this video, it's going to be past Christmas. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this started, shall we? So this one is the 20-ounce tumbler with the tumbler lid. Special thanks. This is double wall technology, perfect temperature control. You are beautiful, victorious, enough, strong, never alone, amazing, capable, chosen, create, always loved it. So there's a rubber seal right there. And then there's this galaxy cube. So we got the 9 brain games to choose from. So this is it's actually sealed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna open this, but it's a gift. Let's put this aside for now and come back, check it out. Let's go and open this one. Some of this ball, ping pong ball, to play some kind of games. Happy New Year. Oh, it's a bingo. Christmas bingo. And now getting ready for the New Year bingo. It's a blindfold. Wow. It's a whole bunch of blindfold with the different colors for a special game that we're gonna play, I guess. So that's a lot. Go and then check out this one. Specially for you. Best of wishes. Looks like a tumbler as well. Says number one mom. Funny. Patience 500%. Nurturing is 1000%. Sleep 1%. Hardworking 400. Caffeine 200. Multitasking 500. Unconditional love is infinity or infinite. So this one, the lid is a little bit different. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out what's inside this box. I'm not sure she purchased the vinyls or the records. So. Wow, 1, 2, 3. This one is the grammar, the good parts. Just a new item. Naive. Just say ND grammar. So go ahead and open this up. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out this last box. It's like a teapot, and then another tumbler. Let's see. So this one say number 1 dad, Superman, strength 250, wrong answer 0%, dad jokes 50, hardworking 400, caffeine 150, guidance 200, unconditional love infinite. So this one is the tea room teapot that I did unbox before. And then open it up. It's a glass lid. It's made out of glass. So this is a filter for your tea. It's also made out of glass too. So yeah, I don't want to open it since this is a gift. Some sample for the tea. And then there's a teapot right there. This is a filter that goes on the midsection. So yeah, you boil the water. Add the tea right there on the midsection, and then you're gonna bloom the tea 2 to 5 minutes. Right? Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments up below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.